We spend millions of rupees. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fires, and we spend more time trying to find new ways of preventing fires from happening and getting out of control. On the whole, we have learned rather well to control fire and put to the uh, it to good in use our everyday life. Long ago, there were no firemen when fire broke out. Everybody became a firefighter, become people. Firefighter, people formed human chains, they still do if required, and passed buckets of water from a well or ponds to the blaze. Now, there are laws about building construction which ensure that the space is left between buildings to reduce the fire risk. Every new building, especially a public place, must ensure ob- observance of fire prevention norms, bans of firefighting workers with special equipment known as fire brigades
Brigade. Mhm.
are there to put out fires. Firefighters are highly trained people. They possess many skills. They cut off electricity supply, knock down dangerous walls, spray water and other materials to bring fire under control. They are also trained in first aid so
Okay,
that
okay, that's it. So this page, then we move to the last page. So we spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fires. Okay, first of all, we spend some money to stop fire, and on the other way, we spend money to find out the ways, new ways in research also, how to put out fire easily. So we spend millions of rupees in two ways. Number one is how, for example, fire is there, and we spend lot of money to just stop that fire. For example, forest fire in uh, Australia recently, maybe you have read about it. So we spend millions of rupees in just putting out fire, and secondly, we just try to learn more about fire. In research work, we spend money. Long ago, there were no firemen. When fire broke out, everybody became the firefighter. So, in villages also, and in faraway places where these fire brigades can't reach easily, so their people become the firefighters. People form human chains. They still do if required. So you can just see the picture. They just stand in this manner and they pass buckets of water from well or pond to the blaze. Blaze means fire, sight of fire. Okay. So they just pass buckets and they try to stop fire. Now there are laws about building construction. Now these days, whenever you have to do construction of building, you have to ensure that space is left between building. You have to just keep some space left between buildings so that fire risk can be reduced. Okay. Every building, new building, especially a public place, like public place जैसे होते हैं mall and hospitals, they must ensure observance of fire prevention norms. Norms means rules. Observance means to accept the rules. So they must accept the rules of fire prevention given by the government. Now, bands of firefighting workers with special equipment known as fire brigade. So I will ask you a question. What do you mean by fire brigade? And then you will give this answer that band of means group of firefighting workers with special equipment. They are having some special kind of tools with them. Okay, pipes and how to spray water, each and every equipment they have, and this thing is called fire brigade. And the firefighters are highly trained people. How? They possess many skills. They are having many skills. They cut off electricity supply. First of all, whenever they reach the site, they know that electricity is very dangerous. So first of all, they cut off the electricity supply. Then second, they knock down the dangerous walls. Knock down means just fall. Okay, hit the wall so that it can fall. So they knock down the dangerous walls and they spray water and other materials to bring fire under control. So in case वो electrical appliance से लगी है, then they find out some other ways. They won't use water then. So they are also trained in first aid so that please complete. Sarang, please complete the chapter, please. Last paragraph. Unmute yourself.
They can help people suffering from the burns from the effects of smoke. The discovery of the fire and its uses help early man to cope with the nature better and gradually. Upon and settled mode of life, fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. Fire is indeed a friend, but as we know, it can be dangerous enemy once it gets out of control.
Okay. So they are trained in first aid also. They can help people suffering from burns or from the effects of smoke. They not only put out fire, they just look at the people also who got burns and who had some effects from smoke. कई बारी smoke से suffocation हो जाती है and they just give them first aid also. So in how many ways firefighters are trained? Number one, they just cut off the supply of oxygen. Then they sometimes knock the walls also, and then they put out fire using the best method they can use, and they give first aid also to people who are suffering from burns and from the effect of smoke. Now, the last paragraph is the conclusion of the chapter. The discovery of fire and its uses helped early men to cope with nature better. Now, you people will tell me how fire helped early men to cope up with nature. Why it is written here that early man की बहुत help हुई fire की discovery से to cope up with nature. Now, please tell me, raise your hand if you know how fire helped early men. And please lower your hand if you don't know the answer. If you have raised for reading, please lower it. Now, okay. Madhav, please tell us how fire helped early men.
The fire helped them in cooking food. It also helped them in scare away of animals.
Okay, fine. That's it, or anything else anyone wants to add? Yes, Karthik, any new point?
I think it helped them to bring light in dark caves.
Yes, exactly. So, okay, that's it. If you have still any point, then you can raise your hand. I think they have told.
And ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम जो पेज नंबर 17 में फायर फाइटर्स की उन्होंने स्किल्स बताए हुए हैं मैम उसमें नॉक डाउन डेंजरस वॉल मीनिंग है.
Knock down होता है to hit something very hard so that it can fall down. Okay, to hit something.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think Jasmine, any other point you are raising your hand?
Ma'am, it also help in cooking fire.
Cooking food. Okay, cooking food to scare away animals and to just light up the area, dark areas, especially caves. So okay. So next one is 1 minute, please. It helped early men to cope with the nature better. Cope already meaning is written there, to deal with the nature or to handle nature better, and gradually means slowly adopt a settled mode of life. Slowly they had settled life due to this discovery of fire. Fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. Worshipped, as you know, that people worship it. उसकी पूजा करते हैं लोग. Fire is indeed क्या होता है? Surely. No doubt, we are not having any doubt that fire is surely a friend, but it can be dangerous enemy once it gets out of control. So this was the conclusion of the chapter. I hope it is clear. Now quickly revise these 1.5 pages, then I'll ask you a question, then we'll move to the exercise. I'm giving you 1 minute. So I think I should start now. So my first question, Akshara, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara, how we spend money on fire? In which ways?
In learning the new ways of how to prevent fire and firefightings.
Okay, so we spend millions of dollars in just putting out fire and then finding out the ways how to put fire. Okay, so next one is Veronica. Veronica, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, long ago there were no firemen, then how people used to deal with the situation?
Mm,
Yes, Sarang.
Ma'am, long ago there were no firemen when they make a human tank and they pass a bucket full of the water to prevent the fire under the control.
Okay, long ago there were no firemen, so people used to make human chains and they used to bring water from pond or any water body to the site of fire. Okay. Next one, Shubh, please.
yes, ma'am.
Shubh, what special instruction is given to building constructors these days?
Ma'am, the special instruction is given that there should be left space between the buildings to prevent the fire risks.
Exactly. So next one is
Government has made the laws now.
exactly. Okay. Jasmine.
Yes, ma'am.
Give any
Yes, ma'am.
Jasmine only भी पढ़ना है. Okay. You just come to some separate space, then I'll ask you question. Okay, Devang. Devang, please unmute. I think you are unmuted. Speak up something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
how firefighters are trained? In which ways? What do they do when they reach the fire site?
The firefighters are trained by they knock out the walls of the buildings, and they also pull out all the wires of the electricity,
They stop
and they
the
put
okay flow of electricity.
flow,
and-
the
Mhm.
flow.
Okay.
They also they also help to put the water on the huge buildings.
Okay. They try to stop fire using best way. Okay. Whatever way is required. Okay. So who's left here? Sarang, Shubh, Savya, and Karthik. Savya, please tell me some more points how they are trained. They knock out the building. Mhm.
Yes, ma'am. They bring the fire into the control. They cut off the electricity supply, and they are also trained so that they are also trained so that they can give the first aid to the people that who are burned.
Okay, who got burns and who got suffocated due to smoke. Okay, what is the conclusion of the chapter, Karthik?
Ma'am, the conclusion of the chapter is that the fire can be our good friend, but it is not sure because it can become our enemy when it gets out of control.
Fire is surely our friend, but it can be our enemy whenever it is out of control. So this was the chapter. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. Then we'll move to the exercise. If you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. Jasmine Devang, you just raise hand for answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's move to exercise comprehension check, everyone. So open your books. There are two MCQs here. Find out the best answer. No doubt all the answers are possible, but you have to find out the best answer that is the most suitable answer. So the first question is, early man was frightened of Which things? Saksham and Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. Fire. C option.
C option, fire. So the best answer is fire. Lightning and volcano से भी वो frightened थे, the damage caused by them. So obviously the main culprit was fire. They were frightened of fire. Okay. So second question, please. Madhav, second.
Ma'am, fire is the result of chemical reaction.
So fire is actually energy that is in the form of heat and light, but both the sentences are incomplete in themselves. So C option is the correct one. So both C answers are there. Early man was frightened of fire, and fire is the result of chemical reaction. Now next one is you have to find out the correct order given here, and these are the options. So I'm giving you a few seconds. First of all, think about it, then I'll ask. हाँ जी बेटा, which is the correct option?
Ma'am, I think last, fourth, second, third, and first.
Yes. So everyone, last option is correct one. 4, 2, 3, 1. This is the correct order. 4, 2, 3, 1. Last option is the answer. Okay, now next, let's move to next question. These are the question answers. In between questions are given and sometime back exercise is also given. So we'll just do. So first question and second question is to be done in notebook. Third question on books only. So matchups, fill in the blanks, these type of question on books only. So first question is, what do you understand by flash point? Yes, Harmeet. Flash point.
Yes, ma'am. Every fuel has a particular temperature at which it begins to burn. This temperature is called flash point or kindling temperature.
Exactly. So everyone, I hope you know where the answer is given. And this was your homework also, holidays, to find out the answers. So I hope you have found already. So flash point is the particular temperature a fuel needs to start burning. Then that temperature is called flash point or kindling temperature. Okay, next, Jasmeet. Jasmeet, question number 2, first part. What are some common uses of fire?
Fire is commonly used to cook food, to warm our homes in winter, and to generate electricity.
Exactly. It is given in the chapter. Some of the uses of fire are to cook food, to warm our houses in winter, and to generate electricity. It's given in the chapter already. I hope everyone knows the answer. So next one, please. Devang, please unmute. Tell me second part. In what sense it is a bad master?
The fire is a bad. The fire can be a bad master when it is gets out of control and can be very dangerous. Each year, thousands of homes and shops are damaged by fire. Vast areas of forest are also destroyed, and hundreds of people are killed or injured.
Exactly, well done. So correct answer, appropriate answer. आपने भी इतना ही लिखना है that it is a bad master when it is out of control. Then you can give example also each year that thousands of men lose their life like this. ठीक है? Okay, now next one is match the column. This is to be done in book only. So you have to just find out which is the fuel out of here. Oxygen किसके साथ match हो रही है और heat किसके साथ. Again, I'm giving you 30 seconds. Complete it, then we'll discuss. And your time starts now. Amarjot, if you are ready, then you can tell us. Beta, unmute first. Unmute yourself. No, you are not audible. Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, fuel, coal, wood and cooking gas, oxygen, air and heat, lighted matchstick, burning coal and smoothing paper.
Smoldering paper, yes. So this is fuel. Then next one is oxygen. Only one answer is there, air. And next one is heat, lighted matchstick,
Burning
burning
coal.
coal, and smoldering paper. So this is the correct answer. So you can just fill in the blank. I mean match up. Then we'll move to next one. So next question is, what are the three main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? This was the first, I think, question that I asked when we started our class. So three main ways you are supposed to write in your own words. अगर आप book को follow करोगे, then obviously you will have to write 1.5 page around. So try to write in your own words. ठीक है, this one. So what are the three main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? So who will tell me answer in your own words? Now try to better speak. Actually, you were not audible initially. Press the unmute button, Amarjot. No. Okay, who else will give answer? Raise your hand, please. On your camera. Madhav is thinking whether I should raise hand or not. चलो माधव आप ही बताओ. Unmute, please.
The first way is we should keep it away from the fuel so it will stop burning after some time. And the second way is that we can prevent it from reaching oxygen by putting a blanket or using a fire extinguisher to remove the to provide some carbon dioxide. The third way is that we should remove the heat, and if the temperature can be brought down below the flash point, the fuel will stop burning and the fire will be in control.
Exactly. Exact answer, appropriate answer. So well done. So three ways you can explain in your own words. Now again, match the column is there. So again, I'm giving you few seconds. Quickly complete it. Meanwhile, I'm just taking attendance. Now let's start. Who is willing to give answer of this match the column? Okay, Raj Aryan, please.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer of first one, Mita?
But first to burn paper,
Uh,
ma'am, we heat it when we heat it before it catches fire.
Okay, let me just open this. To burn paper or piece of wood, we heat it before it catches fire. Okay, next one. Small fires can be put out.
Ma'am, with a damp blanket.
Okay, next one.
Ma'am, it absorbs heat from the burning material.
When water is spread on fire, it absorbs heat from the burning material and lowers the temperature. Okay, next.
Ma'am, to put out an electrical fire.
Number 4. And last, space left between buildings.
Ma'am, reduce the risk of fire.
Exactly. So this is the answer. They have just written bullet here by mistake. So this is the same point. It absorbs heat from the burning material and lowers the temperature. ये bullet नहीं आएगा. So this is the answer 35214. Now next questions we'll discuss tomorrow. Who's Suhani? Suhani wants to enter the waiting room. Okay. Now I'm just ending the meeting and tomorrow we'll discuss rest of the questions. Take care, Beta. Bye.